Hi, Teacher Lee.
Hi, Linny, how are you?
I'm happy.
Oh my God, happy. Why are you happy?
Because I
Because today is holiday.
holiday.
Oh, it's holiday. You're happy because holiday. Yay! Holiday. Okay. We knew we're going to dance. You know what? I I sent the link from other student. I'm so sorry about that. I kept on waiting. I sent the other link to the other student. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Lindy.
Welcome, Teacher Lee.
Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay. We're going to dance, Lindy. What do you want to do tonight? I will just extend my time, okay? So that we will still consume the 25 minutes.
Action.
Okay. What do you want to dance tonight?
It's a bird. Bird. It's a egg. Bird and egg.
Bird and
Bird and egg. Bird
yeah.
is it's a it's a bird. Bird.
Bird and turtle?
Huh?
Bird and?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay. You can say one more time, teacher. You can
It's
say
a
one more.
bird. Bird
Okay,
and
you
egg.
choose, Lindy. Which one do you like here? Oh my. Are you tired? Okay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Teacher nói.
What do you want here?
No.
Lindy, what do you want here?
Yeah.
Which one do you like? Oh, Danny Go. Do you like Danny Go?
Yeah.
Okay. Lindy, can you please sit properly so that you can have you're comfortable to have our lesson? Please.
Okay.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's start. What do you want here? Can you please sit properly, Lindy?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Monkey.
Oh, monkey. Okay. How can you dance? You need to stand up. Come on.
Monkey.
Now sit properly, Lindy. I want Lindy to sit properly.
Okay.
Oh, you wanna go bananas? It's time for some monkey business. Let's dance. In the jungle, climbing a tree. Looking for some food to eat. Food to eat, food to eat. Gotta swing from vine to vine. beat it back. Take a bite that it makes me want. Make me wanna
Dance like a monkey. Dance like a monkey. Dance like a monkey.
Okay, now let's dance like different pros. Come on, scratch your fur like a chimpanzee. Chimpanzee, chimpanzee. Hop around like a lemur. Boing, 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 boing. Beat your chest like a gorilla. Swing your arms like a orangutan, orangutan. But if you wanna go crazy, let's eat a banana. Make me wanna.
Dance like a monkey.
Ini pretty. Ini.
Dance like.
Ini, can you sit properly? Can you please sit properly?
Properly.
Okay, Lini, I want you to sit properly. Okay, good. Okay. Please sit properly, Lini.
Properly.
Mm-hmm.
Teacher,
Yes.
I'm a purple.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yes.
Okay, I will wait for you. Come on.
Nhưng teacher ý là làm gì vậy? Ít lâu.
I will wait for you. Go, go, go.
Ý là thêm. Teacher.
Hmm. Yes. What do you mean? Okay, 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay now? You're okay now?
Okay. Okay.
Lini, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, you need to sit properly. Okay, let's continue on dancing. I thought you're going to have to take to school.
Okay.
Okay, I want you to sit properly. Please sit properly.
Bye.
Okay, let's dance.
Dance like a monkey.
When I hit a banana, I really wanna dance underneath the cabana. When I hit a banana, I really wanna dance. I really wanna. When I hit a banana, I really wanna dance while I wear a bandana. When I hit a banana, I really wanna dance. I really wanna.
Dance like a monkey. Dance like you.
When I hit a banana, I really wanna dance underneath the cabana. When I
like a monkey.
Okay, now we're going to start with our lesson. Okay. Okay, let's start with our lesson. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let me share my screen, Linny. Okay. Okay, how do you read? Okay, this one, Linny, let's proceed to another. Okay, I want you to read one again. If I will just check if you still know. Okay, how do you read this one? How do you read this one? Linny, I'm waiting. Where are you? Linny.
Back.
Bag, good job. Hey, good. How about this one? How about this one?
Back.
One more time.
Back.
Huh? Good, good.
Back. Back.
One more time,
Back.
Linny. How do you say the sound of this?
Back.
One more time.
Back.
Good job. Okay, now let's continue. Now let's focus on the sound of letter. Oh, the sound of letter O. Linny, letter O. The sound of letter O is O, right?
Ah.
Oh, okay. Now I want you to. Okay, Linny, if I write something like this, and then I will add uh letter F. Okay, Linny, how do you say the sound? How do you read this one? Linny, how do you read?
To.
Is four. Okay, four. And then I will add letter R. How do you read that? Four.
Ba. Ba.
Mhm. One more time.
Ba.
Four. One more time. Four.
Ba.
Okay, good. How about this one? Okay, how about this one, Lindy? This one is letter L. This one is letter L. Lindy, are you there? Lindy, are you there?
Yeah.
Hmm? Okay. So how do you read this one? Or how do you read that?
Ah.
How do you read that?
Trời ơi, cái gì mà trắng tinh vậy?
Lindy, how
Teacher,
do
it's
you...
a privilege.
That is, how do you read that?
R.
Uh-huh. Law. Law. Dini, look at me, look at me.
Law.
Law, and then I'm going to put letter T here. How do you read that now? How do you read that now? Linny. Oh my. What happened? There. What happened?
I
Linny.
don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Now, Linny, I want you to read this one. We have the sound of letter O, right? Law. Okay. Okay, here it is. Okay, can you please read this one? Can you please read?
Lot.
Lòi.
Yes, lot. Correct. Lot. One more time.
Lot.
Nó có âm điệu đấy.
Yes. Lot. How about this one?
Pot.
Âm điệu.
Yes.
Pot.
Pot. Pot. Pot. Pot. Good job, Linny.
Teacher.
Yes. You don't know how to read. What do you want to say? Linny, what do you want to say?
Water.
You want to? Water. Okay. Okay, go, 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 go. You have a lot of homework.
Play what? Thank you, Mommy.
Lindy knows how to read now. Yay! Good job, Lindy. Oh my God. Okay, let's continue. Okay, how about this one? What happened? How about, oh, sorry. How about this one?
Pop.
Pop, that's correct. Good job. Okay, how about this one? How about this one? Lindy, how about this one?
Yeah. Sun.
Yes, good job. Okay, yeah. Lindy knows how to read now. Tan 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 tan. I'm so happy for Lindy. I'm so happy for Lindy. Lindy knows how to read now. Lindy knows how to read now. Yay. Okay, Lindy, can you please smile? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, that's it for tonight, Lindy. Bye-bye. Have a great night.